11. How do you signal your intention to exit the highway safely? When you are ready to exit the highway, it is important to signal your intention to other drivers in order to ensure a safe and smooth transition. To do this, you should follow these steps. 1. Plan ahead. Start preparing for your exit in advance by monitoring road signs and paying attention to the distance markers that indicate how far you are from the upcoming exit. 2. Use your turn signal. Activate your vehicle's turn signal at least 3 seconds before changing lanes or exiting the highway. This will alert other drivers behind you that you are planning to exit. Make sure your turn signal is clearly visible and functioning properly. 3. Check your surroundings. Before changing lanes or exiting, check your mirrors and blind spots to ensure there are no vehicles in your path. Be aware of any cars approaching from behind or driving alongside you. 12. Describe the steps for merging onto the expressway safely from an entrance ramp. Merging onto the expressway safely from an entrance ramp involves several important steps. Here is a detailed description of each step to ensure a smooth and secure merge. 1. Prepare in advance. As you approach the entrance ramp, make sure your vehicle is up to speed with the flow of traffic on the expressway. Use your turn signal to indicate your intention to merge. 2. Check for gaps. Glance at the traffic on both sides of the expressway while still on the entrance ramp. Look for gaps in the traffic that will allow you to merge smoothly. It is important to find a large enough gap to safely merge into without disrupting the flow of traffic. 13. What is the purpose of a highway advisory radio, and how can it assist you while driving? A highway advisory radio is a valuable tool that serves several purposes to assist drivers while on the road. Its main objective is to provide real-time information and updates regarding traffic conditions, weather conditions, construction zones, accidents, and other potential hazards along a specific stretch of highway. The purpose of a highway advisory radio is to enhance driver safety and awareness by delivering essential information directly to motorists. By tuning in to the designated frequency on their vehicle's radio system, drivers can stay informed about any potential disruptions or dangers that they may encounter on their journey. This allows them to make informed decisions and take necessary precautions to ensure a safe and smooth trip. Highway advisory radio stations are strategically placed along major highways, typically near areas with high traffic volume or frequent changes in road conditions. The information broadcasted includes updates on traffic flow, such as congested areas or accidents causing delays. It also provides weather forecasts, including severe weather warnings like storms or icy road conditions that could affect driving safety. 14. How does maintaining a steady speed contribute to safe expressway driving? Maintaining a steady speed is essential for safe expressway driving due to several reasons. Firstly, it helps to promote better traffic flow and reduces the chances of sudden lane changes or abrupt stops, which can lead to accidents. When all vehicles are traveling at a consistent pace, it becomes easier for drivers to anticipate and react to each other's movements. Secondly, maintaining a steady speed also allows for proper spacing between vehicles. It enables drivers to keep an appropriate following distance from the vehicle in front of them, which is crucial for safe braking and reducing the risk of rear-end collisions. Additionally, a steady speed helps to prevent congestion on the expressway. When drivers maintain a consistent pace, it minimizes the chances of traffic bottlenecks or sudden slowdowns that can cause gridlock and frustration among motorists. Furthermore, maintaining a steady speed promotes fuel efficiency and reduces environmental impact. Sudden accelerations and decelerations can result in increased fuel consumption and emissions. By driving at a constant speed, vehicles can achieve optimal fuel efficiency, reducing the amount of greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere. This not only helps to protect the environment but also saves drivers money on fuel costs in the long run. 15. Explain the concept of defensive driving and why it is vital on the highway. Defensive driving is a crucial skill that every driver should possess, especially on the highway where potential risks and hazards are amplified. It refers to a set of techniques and strategies designed to anticipate and avoid accidents by actively observing, predicting, and reacting to potential dangers on the road. The concept of defensive driving revolves around prioritizing safety above all else. It involves maintaining an alert mindset while behind the wheel, constantly scanning the road for any signs of trouble such as reckless drivers, sudden lane changes, or unexpected obstacles. By being proactive and taking necessary precautions, defensive drivers can greatly reduce the likelihood of being involved in a collision. One important aspect of defensive driving is maintaining a safe following distance. This means leaving enough space between your vehicle and the one ahead to allow for sudden stops or evasive maneuvers if needed. It is recommended to keep at least a 3-second gap under normal driving conditions, and even more in adverse weather or heavy traffic. 16. What factors should you consider before attempting to overtake a vehicle on the expressway? Before attempting to overtake a vehicle on the expressway, there are several factors that should be carefully considered. These factors include: 1. Visibility. Assess the visibility conditions ahead and determine if you have a clear view of any approaching vehicles or potential hazards. It is essential to have sufficient visibility before attempting to overtake. 2. Distance. Evaluate the distance between your vehicle and the one you intend to overtake. Ensure that there is enough space for both vehicles during the passing maneuver without compromising safety. 17. When driving on the highway, what should you do if you encounter adverse weather conditions? Your safety becomes paramount when faced with adverse weather conditions while driving on the highway. Here are some important steps to follow. 1. Slow down. Reduce your speed to match the road and visibility conditions. Driving at a slower speed allows for better control of your vehicle and gives you more time to react if something unexpected occurs. 2. Increase following distance. Leave ample space between your vehicle and the one in front of you. This will give you more time to stop or maneuver if needed, especially in slippery conditions. 3. Use headlights. Turn on your headlights so that other drivers can see you and you can see the road ahead more clearly. If it's raining heavily or visibility is significantly reduced, consider using your fog lights as well, if available. 18. Describe the proper procedure for handling a blowout while driving on the expressway. When facing a blowout while driving on the expressway, it's crucial to remain calm and follow these steps to ensure your safety. 1. Maintain control of the vehicle. As soon as you realize there is a blowout, firmly grip the steering wheel with both hands. Do not panic or make any sudden movements. 2. Do not brake abruptly. Avoid slamming on the brakes immediately after a blowout, as this can cause your vehicle to skid or lose control. Instead, continue steering straight ahead and gradually release the accelerator pedal to slow down. This will help maintain stability and prevent any further damage or accidents. 3. Signal and move to a safe location. Once you have regained control of the vehicle, turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers of the situation. Check your surroundings for an appropriate place to pull over, such as a breakdown lane or the nearest exit ramp. Remember to use your turn signal when changing lanes to ensure other drivers can anticipate your movements. 19. What are some common distractions to avoid while driving on the highway? Some common distractions to avoid while driving on the highway include: 1. Cell phones and other electronic devices. Avoid using your cell phone for texting, calling, or any other activities that may divert your attention from the road. It is best to keep it out of reach or use a hands-free device if necessary. 2. Eating and drinking. Consuming food or beverages while driving can lead to spills or take away your focus from the road. Finish your meal before starting your journey or pull over at a safe location to eat or drink. 3. Grooming. Applying makeup, combing your hair, or any other personal grooming activities should be done before getting behind the wheel. These tasks require your attention and can be dangerous while driving. 4. Reading or using maps. Trying to read a book, map, or GPS device can cause you to take your eyes off the road for an extended period of time. Plan your route ahead of time and familiarize yourself with it before starting your journey. 20. How does regular vehicle maintenance contribute to safe expressway driving? Regular vehicle maintenance contributes to safe expressway driving in several ways. Firstly, it ensures that all the essential components of a vehicle, such as brakes, tires, and steering mechanisms, are in proper working condition. This reduces the risk of sudden breakdowns or malfunctions while driving on the expressway. By regularly servicing the brakes, for example, drivers can ensure that they have optimal stopping power when needed. Well-maintained tires with sufficient tread depth and proper inflation provide better traction on wet or slippery surfaces, reducing the chances of skidding or losing control on the expressway. Additionally, maintaining proper alignment and functioning of the steering mechanisms enhances stability and maneuverability while driving at high speeds. Secondly, regular vehicle maintenance helps to identify and address any potential issues or problems before they escalate into major safety concerns. Through routine inspections and checkups, mechanics can detect warning signs of wear and tear, leaks, or faulty parts that may compromise the vehicle's performance on the expressway. 21. What should you do if you miss your exit on the expressway or highway? If you find yourself in a situation where you miss your exit on the expressway or highway, it's essential to stay calm and take immediate action to ensure your safety. Here are some steps you can follow. 1. Stay focused. As soon as you realize that you've missed your exit, avoid panicking or making sudden maneuvers. Maintaining composure will help prevent any further complications. 2. Don't stop abruptly. It is crucial not to slam on the brakes or make any sudden stops on the expressway. This can be dangerous and may cause a collision with other vehicles traveling at high speeds. Instead, continue driving until it is safe to exit or find an alternate route. 3. Use your navigation system. If you have a GPS or smartphone with navigation capabilities, rely on it to guide you back on track. Input your desired destination or select the option for finding an alternative route to avoid unnecessary confusion. 4. Look for the next exit. Keep an eye out for the next exit sign or off-ramp. This will give you an opportunity to safely leave the expressway and find your way back to familiar territory. Pay attention to the distance markers on the side of the road, as they will indicate how far the next exit is.